Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy, 360 No Scope, man. Okay, let's get ready, boys. What we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna be calling ourselves No Scope, because that's the best name ever. Am I right, dudes? Yeah, let's quick scope some people on this server, mate. Ooh, look at me, America, because I'm American. Ooh, you get 360 No Scope. And forget all those other British people, because America's the best. Woo! Okay, I just got wrecked. That's so cool. It's an ad. Down to 360 no scope. Do this thing. Okay, mate. Okay. Whoa, bro! I just went through that dude. 360 no scope. Yeah. Just went fully right through him. Pause. And that. I just got no. It's an ad again. Wow, fascinating, dude. So fascinating. Don't know what you heard about me. Wow, it so much looked like I killed him, but you know what this game said? It said, nope. Okay, let's see what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be playing some Wow, that was so good, bro. That was the best emoji. So many ads, am I right? Am I right? So many ads. So many. So many ads. So many ads. 360 no scope.